How to buy partial stocks on Charles Schwab. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to buy a partial share or stock slice on Charles Schwab, you'll need to use your Schwab stock slice feature. You can do this by logging into your Schwab brokerage account online or through the Schwab mobile app. For that, you want to go ahead and simply search for schwab.com in your search icon and then simply log in to your account. If you don't have an account, simply go ahead and create one. And after that, once your account is open and approved, you'll need to deposit the fund. Log into your account and navigate to Schwab Stock Slices. And after that, you can browse or search for stocks within the S&P 500. After you have done that, decide how much you would like to invest in each stock, minimum $5 per stock. And after that, review your selection and place your order. You'll receive a fractional share based on your chosen investment amount. Schwab Stock Slices allows you to invest in fractional shares of stocks, meaning you can own a portion of share rather than a whole one. This is a great way to get started with investing or to diversify your portfolio with smaller investments. That's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.